enti na ndwuma egugu enyinam kanea na ye de beye adwuma ama ndwuma sebi agina light and electricity na ye de beye adwuma ama sebi light aye adwuma na nkrofo aye adwuma enya ebini no oman bi anase president bi betena aso a wo light bill a utua ma no one fentua electricity bill no enu nti yetwa wo electricity mu ema wo da adum som wo cold store kakra na wo ye eseye o baba shop hairdressing salon eseye wo kura de na ye pure water adwuma bi na wo ye nti afidie no de ade be na ne rubber ne de ade be seal no eno na wo hia electricity de aye egu ye wo kura de nyame ye wadum o na sebe okọ cold store na wakofa ice nam na wo de akọ esan se cold store wura no na fidi asai na woni nam wo nti na wontumi nkokwan spo na wakofa ice nam ni bipo e na wakoton eno nti something needed to be fixed and to fix the country for mudika dumso egu businesses, so we need it to be fixed. It is very important. It has to be fixed. How do we fix it? Then a president comes in. May you fix the country need. Electricity, a bon con. Nenya me aye madam. President be a bidiadie. President ni bidiadie I say edi entina yede dum so min. O se saade ameko Nigeria. Oko Nigeria we ko hu Buhari. O se Buhari yenim se yede moka. Yesrew mamme bosu me miensa. Me tuamu half ne. Na emom mamme bosu me miensa e ko nan mu no. De aka no me de beba. Na ade ba ko a me pese Ghana 40 ase ne se. Ansa na president Akufo-Addo eko hu Buhari ne na akasa no. Na obi president bi so ako Buhari ho akosre Buhari the same thing o. Na me question na me bisa o ne say aden na Buhari amfa ma no. Na papa bi so asoma delegation akopa Buhari cho say Nigeria gas ne bi etum ma yen na me kuro sebe yenya enyinam kanea emfa ye adwuma na ye bre. Ghana for me bi etia Buhari want ase ye no. Buhari anti ase because so be say Mr. Mahama o ka asem a odi so. Yes. Buhari. Ohun say na Mr. Mahama beka kire ne say obeba bitua ka ontua enti wa ama no. Nanso Akufo-Addo ekoye. Emma fix the country for dum so no mo say ye fix no. Ye fix ye. Akufo-Addo anya dum so ne saa keke o say aden na de bia ye nya power share the whole problem. Oh, expert mon konko ye ho analysis ne yen hwe. Expert for ko ba ya asimo mo be kan ye ne say ye electric wire no enkroma de say so a wojama NDC for no amba ye ni so da say ye ndware no one day po because ya na ye mpedware NDC for no half ye mpedware o de ya akomurali ase kohwe ye ho shirada wo pa ho sesi a wan hwa ubetwa hwe enti electricity power ye dija ye nkroma dija ye no NDC for bon modern say o man ye ho hwe na po ba ye no se ye ne saade a ye duma siesie said ye be ye nyinam kanea no e be fa ne ntoma pa afura na agina baby a ye hia extra transformers ye sisi transformers no wo ho odu kentampo side we bi wo ho o musi ne brand new de wo bogo so e be Kumase ye si bi wo a e boa ma electric power na electric ayi ni na move correctly. May you fix the country ni 2017 e be shase no na me the dum som. It wasn't fixed. Na aban bi abe fix it. Emende unya light edem. I spent over 18 days in Ghana, didn't experience light off for 1 second. Metina ekura metna kan can say Kumase meko Fenso meko Accra baby meko Takoradi man who 1 minute of doom soda may you fix the country ni me pese doom so na Mahama di jaye no you fix it nanko bia be fix ya Sister Evelyn. And yet then you are not campaigning for the person that fixed the problem you complain about, but you rather insult that person. And to us, mommy, me Mrs. Adie face the country for we no dear no. And to us, mommy, o president, Ababeton Graduate Unemployed Association. Aban bi kono. And or this for no ejano. Or call ye say Graduate Unemployed Association for enko pay juma wa ban ba ko no. Or say onye magician na wa mo adwuma. Yo yate. Wonye magician na wa mo adwuma de a. Ene pe bibi ma yen na yen den yen kodi. Or say mo ya kwadwofo ye ni bibi ama mo. Monko sane mo maame no maboso. Say no mo ntiase so a ebo a ye frɛ no boyi monko bobo ano na mon papai na ebo kora de obomoden a papai a 1 month a utie yi a ubenya 1 trip na wakoton ebo 1 trip na wo so wudi edidi. This was the solution given to Graduate Unemployed Association. I am fix the country. A government comes, institute something we call Nation Builders Corps, NAPCO. You are a fix the country, like naturally you want the country to be fixed honestly. There are unemployed association graduates there. A president comes and gives those graduate unemployed association people, gives them jobs to do, employs them, and gives them 700 Ghana a month. Muti asemni yi pa because men no maintain what their disparity is about. Ayana maintain ase. Aban number 1 say onye magician na wa mawedwuma, so he didn't solve or fix the country. Another president comes, gives these same people jobs and takes them off the street. You are a fix the country advocate. Shouldn't the man who just fixed what you complain about be the person you campaign for? Why are you insulting him instead? Or are you people now exposing yourselves, say, "Eya suma keke na ya suma mo, se mumbeji skendi na munko jimi keke. Ana mu ankasa no munim say ye fix it, na enso sebe and now say man yes sa munya views on social media, man yes say mun didi." Charlie, mommy is serious. Mommy is serious. Now, I will end today. Namafa. Just 3 calls. I gotta go do something quick. Yeah, so tell me how me buy. I think 11.